Bangman and the ball keep captures the numbers with in Hagis Sakamakis Basa. Good back. Passing number 0, jersey number 23, 2 on the shot clock. Basket tayo na. Shot. What a shot. It's good. Comes over. Jersey number 10. Monte. Passing number jersey number 17. Balik kay Monte ang bola. Intercept tayo. Entering number jersey number 13. Intercept again dito kay jersey number 17. Dribbling the ball. Paasan ni Macor. Bakan. Napakalaki ba? Basket count. Namoy. Jersey number 23. Dribbling the ball. We were the big pass naman. Intercept agad tayo. Napakabilis naman ni Idol. Good for two. One of our jersey number 15 seconds. Hold the shot. Jump ball fake. Another pass. Intercept tayo. Tapa na naman si jersey number 17. Plays it up against the layup. It's good for two. Our version is 13. Hard ring. High post game. Pakan Gantang. Working for Pakan. Pakan is jersey number the ball. Looking for Smith. Matas na basa. Cutting in the middle. Santiago. Good for two. 5 minutes, 5 ringing. Passing back for jersey number 12. The high lip bar. Offensive foul on you. Okay, James, 5 tayo. For Smith, passing around para jumper team back for jersey number 7. Great pass. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wolof J. Good for two. Para jersey number. The man for jersey number 7. Dribbling the ball in for Smith. Passing man dito kay Idol for the downtown. The big rebound put back for jersey 11 pa rin ang bola. Pass for jersey number 7. Hallelujah pass. Kuha naman ni jersey number 8. Kick out. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 1. Paul sa 3. Short jumper. For the big rebound. Takbo ang naka-green. Lays it up. Holy cow. Put back for jersey number 10. Number 7. Tripping the ball. Looking for some weight. Jersey number 7, drop pass dito kay Idol. Number 1 naman, basket count na may. Jersey number 11, tripping the ball, looking for some or signal to play. Pasa sa gitna po, big drop, pass it po, ito, good for two. Poroy, game jump back. Big crossover between the legs, 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18 on the game clock, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Quick pass, 10 on the shot clock. Sakto naman dito kay jersey number 89. 10 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Fire! Ran of the first quarter. And remember jersey number 10. Flipping the ball, looking for swimming pass. Dito kay Idol. Pull-up jumper. Piece lang. Jersey number 10 and thirds up. Jersey number 10 lays it off. Get for two. Para dito kay jersey number 10. Santiago naman. Gating in the middle. Susubukan ito ang depensa ni Pakan. Good for two. Para kay Santiago. Babasan may punta sa kalamangan ng Team Davao. Bounce pass into Zeno. Jump pass. Susunod naman. All yung pass back for Santiago. The big man of Pasagana. Good for two. Bart's a long three. Oh, 7 minutes. Jump out, tripping the ball, looking for Simi for jump out. Quick crossover is out on the map for the polo jumper. Wala. Agawan ng bola yan. Jersey number 27. Ito na map for jersey number 5. Monte Valles at us for the drop pass dito. Para kay Idol, jersey number 5. Leg. 4. 3 points for jersey number 29. Puti, kalahati, itim. Tignan mo sa kamay. Black and white, colored. Ito na for Monte. Mauta na player to si Monte. Monte, attack to the basketball. Sa taas. Mekos pa rin inside. Pasa naman for the black and white. 3 points. Second personal foul, jersey number 5 and third team foul. And naman for Monte, bounce pass dito kay Pakan, pulot sa bola. Agawan lang ng bola yan, huwag magpalitan ng mukha, may malulugi. Yun ang bola na. Tuwang-tuwa si ate. Ate, baka mahi ka dyan. And remember Santiago. Dito sa gitna, Zeno, pull-up jumper. Piso-piso lang for jersey number 23. Jersey number 5. Ito si Idol na veterano. Itong si Idol Lucky ng Tami. 37, ate. Huwag ka ng tawa dyan. Baka maging kamukha ko anak mo. Lugi ka. Eh, hindi lang ito shot lock. Huwag naging kamukha ko yung anak mo na pasalamat ka. Baka karami yan. Okay. Bars along green again. Short jumper. Third round para kay jersey number. Anong number ni Idol? 4 minutes and 25 time remaining. And the man for jersey number 10, Marley. Pass the man for jersey number 11. Count, piso lang for the pull-up jumper. Good for 2. 3 minutes and 1 point time remaining for the second quarter. Lays it up, ball is at the taas. Good back naman para kay jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, tripping the ball, looking for his teammate. Pasa kay Idol, jersey number 4. Lays it up. Good for 2. Dalawang kanin lamig. Upper bonded bit. Good for 2. Para kay Kabantan. Number 7, gripping the ball, looking for his teammate. Para kay Mr. Ileng. Ikaw another pass for jersey number 17. Mukhang mawawala kang bola. Bahala na, sabi ni jersey number 7. Jersey number 10, Marling. Drop pass, ito na naman for the pull-up jumper on the dirt. No whiskey tumira. Itong si jersey 7 naman ang may tangan ng bola. Bigay dito kay jersey number 17. Looking for some back for jersey number 7. Reserve tayo. Tutok ang bola. Wala. Put back. Basket count. Na may kasama pang foul. But intimate. Tripping the ball. Looking for some pass naman kay jersey number 4. Jersey number 7. Bato na naman sa Kamatis. Good for 2. 1 minute and 14 time reading jersey number 10. Turn around. Pulot naman. Pino. Good for 2. Pulot naman ni Galang. Pass for jersey number 7. Back for jersey number 7. Galang. Tripping the ball. Pinapasayaw. Nasandaan ka dyan. Tinagalaran ni Galang. Jersey number 25, Kapanpan, agad. Put back, hit for 2 for the off the board. Man for jersey number 17, gripping the ball, looking for his teammate. Intercept tayo para kay jersey number 25, Kapanpan, attack to the basket, drop pass. Ball is at the taas. Time out. Para sa team. Mr. Kaleng Sibi, gripping the ball, looking for his teammate, pass the man for jersey number 11 ang may tangan ng bola. Sumesenyas dito sa gilid. Jersey number 4, attack to the basket. Wow, nice pass. Lucky bounce. Good shot lang na tayo dyan. 5 seconds. Jersey number 11. Grab pass. Jersey number 4. Turn around. Another grab pass. Good for 2. End of the first half. Our official score 52-34. This is 8 puntos. Oh, he started the third quarter. Jersey number 10, Monte, approving the ball, looking for his teammate. Signal the play para dito kay Monte. Pasa ni Matt for Mr. Gileng. Bounce pass, balik kay Monte. Ang bola, quick crossover. 8 on the shot clock. The black and white. 3-point. Kabawi pa kaya for Team Pasayano. Under the third quarter. A volleyball for the pull-up jumper. Pasa dito kay Idol Japa. 3 points para kay Mr. Japa. Jersey number 12. Turn around. What a nice replay to jersey number 12. Pull-up jumper. Piso lang. Jersey number 23 is Unyo. Dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammate. Balik kay Japa na naman. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Back for Marley. Pasa sa gitna mo ka maagawan. Sunod drop pass to Hipol. Ito. 10 seconds on the shot clock. High post game tayo para kay Papan. Ikaw Monte naman ng may tangan. Drop pass na wala ang bola. Ito takbo si Japa. Tripping the ball. Japa may tangan ng bola. Drop pass for Hipol. Ito pinali pa ni Idol. Good for 2. For jersey number 7, Mr. Glenn TV. Looking for his teammate. Foul play! Calaway na good. Short jumper. Bitin ang tira. Japa naman ang may takan ngayon. Japa zigzagging. Is foul. Foul committed for jersey number.
Score na ng 57-44. 13 puntos ang abante dito ng Team Topak. At the single entry. Yeah! Leo play! Reverse. Dogan, the rebound dito ng Team Masagana. Sending the play. Launches a three-point. Woo! Ang abante dito ng Topak. Okay, Monte. Recross. A double team. Deflected. Recover. Papangka ng konti si Monte. Inside pass. Kandang pasa kay Kileng. Kinaliwa pa. 12 puntos dito ang abante ng Team Topak. 59-47. Monte. Leo play. Kandang pasa. Third personal foul. Second team foul na naka-play. Kandang pasa. Ito na naman si Mr. Kileng. 5 minutes and 45. Kandang ikot ni Polito floater. Lucky bounce. Using screen. Monte at iniskarte. Swing pass. Extra na number 19. Kandang pasaan. Dito na Tito Topak. 65-49 efficient score. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 11, Patilan. Launches a three-point. Woo! 4 minutes and 29. Back to back. Woo! Nakikay namin duwok. Kapot-pot and Japa. Papasa sa pok. 40 on a shot lock. Monte, quick ISO. Pero gumamit ng pick, katang ikot, left-handed layup! Fail! Ini is rin. Number 1. Recover, stop and pump. Dogan. Foul po na rebound, kulog dito ni number 24. Chapa, side pass, kapopon grab to Patilan. Patilan. Momentum dito sa team na Masagana. Ipolito. Jump shot. Pabanda wala. Pero po na rebound. Pulong dito ni Mr. Monte. Pasa dito kay number 12. Nagmamadali na. Akin na to. Pati-pati lang. Kuha dito ng team Masagana. Pasa. Kamot-pon bounce. Patilan. Palikod na pasa. Sunyo. Extra pass. Malakas sa tira. 40 to shoot. Patilan. Sunyo. 10 on a shot lock. Launches a three. No. Rebound at the white team. 1 minute and 5 seconds. One minute assembly. Sinukatan pa. Lista mo na yan. Santiago. Zonia. Jump shot. It's good. 15 seconds. Patilan. 10 seconds. Gandang pasa. Nabitawan pero recover Santiago. 5 seconds wait for the buzzer. Okay. End of the third quarter. Hindi talaga papauli dito ang team na Masagana. Ito si Patilan. Kontra kay Mr. Kileng. Gandang pasaan. Santiago libre sa taas. Floater is good. Japa. 15 to shoot. 12 on the shoulder. Cross pass. Masyadong malakas. Rebound dito ng white team. Number 11. 8 minutes and 22. 8 puntos dito ang abante ng Team Topak. 14 on the shoulder. Number 11. Swing. To number 19. 8 to shoot. Inagawan arap-arapan. Ito si Ipolito. Pasa kay Patilan. Malakas naman ang pasa. Sakto kuha dito ng white team. Kileng. To number 11. To number 19. Uli ka pero to the rescue dyan. 73-63. Okay, next game got ready. United Ballers versus Summer Rocket Bulldogs. Intercepted ito si Kileng. Okay. Okay, pag-iwalay na yan, ha? Pag-iwalay na natin yan. A foul on number 24, Mr. Japa. Eighteen seconds to shoot. Kileng! No! Rebound dito ni Mr. Japa. 4 on 3 ang labanan. Japa going to the basket. Inaputan. Now play. No! Rebound dito. Nabitawan ng bola. Padilan. Paboritong tira. Stop and pump. Pero to. Offensive rebound. Japa. 12 on the shot. Japa. Bang! Ball sa pito. Intercepted. Padilan dribbling the ball. Stop and pump. That's good. Bounce Monte. Deflected. Intercept. Kuha din ka natin masagana. And na si Mr. Japa is good. Sound. Requested by Team Topak. Ito ang ating score. 3 puntos dito. Kalamangan ng Topak. 10 on the shot. No good. Back up on the rebound. Or is that the 14? 10 to shoot. Launches a free. No. Offensive rebound. Libre Masae. Wala. Agawan ng bola dito. Okay, jump ball. Jump ball tayo, jump ball. Team ng Masagana. Kaya pabasa 3 puntos na lang ang Team Topak. 73-70 ang ating score. 5 minutes and 24. 14 on the shot. 3 puntos dito. Kalamangan ng Team Topak. 8 to shoot. Japa. Tripping the ball. 5 on the shot. Japa drop. Pass. Resta mo na yan. 74-72. 15 on the shot. Kapon-pon. Ikot pala sa itaas, no. Offensive rebound. Kapon-pon. Yes. Japa. Didiskarte dito. Sobrang ipit ng depensa. Nitong ni number 11. Japa pa rin. Stop at base. Pala sa itaas. Ford lang tumama. Kuha dito ng Team Topak. Tumatakbo na. Itong si number 12. Behind the back 3 ball. Between the legs. Naipit. Sakto pasa. Intercept. Napasa sa kalaban. Japa. Kantang peg. At siya ng bola. Pass. Good down. No good. Offensive rebound. Exactly. Number 12. Bilang ikot. Spin. Kaltag. Floater. 40 to shoot. Launches a 3. Bang. 79. Deadlock official score. Last 2 minutes. Barley, no. Rebounded number 19, 1 minute and 52. Ponte, crossover. Pump, pump. 15 to shoot, pounds. Number 12, fake. Stop for the long three. No. Don't backs out, don't you, sir? 1 minute and 35. Number 24, Japa. Nakalusot dito si Japa. Nagmamadali. 3 on 2. Drop. Kantang pasa. Saktong-sakto. 1 minute and 25. 81. 79. Nakamit ang Team Masagana. 1 minute and 20. 80 to shoot. Monte. Kagawa ng paraan. Fake. Palikod na pasa. 10. On the shot clock. Extra pass. To number 12. 1 minute exactly. 15 on the shot na. Eto si Japa. ISO. 10 to shoot. Using his screen. Okay. 10 on the shot na. 45 seconds remaining time. Japa. Shot lock. 5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, saktong-sakto sa Team ng Topak.
Shot clock violation.
Ay, Toma. 37 seconds, 81 na lang. Bola dito ng Team ng Lakers Spring. 35 seconds, basket timeout para sa team na Masagana. Monte, kagawa ng paraan dito. 15 seconds to shoot. Piaso ka na. Take over na ba? Deflected ko. Dito ng team Masagana. 20 seconds to shot na. Behind the back. Chapa. Okay. Pito dyan ang ating referee, ha? Warning for penalty. Timeout. Team na Masagana. 40 seconds. Ipolito. Bounce. Intercepted. 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Okay. 2 seconds. Third stop whistle. Okay, ha. Pag-clear yung mga mga itatawag. Pa rin dito ang team ng Masagana. Unang free throw. Pasok. Okay, ha. Ready lang. Kapit lang.
Sablay mo, Bong!
Let's hit the second one. Basket timeout. Requested by Team Masagana. Last 2 seconds. 83-81 official score. Buzzer na lang po yung pagiging gun. 2 seconds. Final score 83-81. Naka-survive dito ang team ng Nature Spring Topak.